Welcome back again to another video, One Africa, One Love, One Nation. Today we are going to see how Nairobi is and the Nairobi streets are a month after hawkers were pushed out of the street. And if you like such kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. After hawkers were pushed out of the streets of Nairobi, the urban landscape has undergone significant changes. While these actions were taken to improve order and ease traffic congestion, it also led to a mixed reaction from both the government and the public. Hawker crackdown led to arrest crowded streets. The streets, particularly those in the Nairobi's Central Business District, has become less congested with a reduction in the number of people selling goods on the sidewalks. This has made the street more pedestrian friendly, allowing for smooth movement of traffic and foot traffic. With the hawks cleared out, the sidewalks are generally cleaner and more orderly. This helps in reducing the littering problem that often arose when street vendors used the pavement to display their goods. Some of the areas once occupied by hawkers have been repurposed for public use, such as benches, flower gardens, and extra spaces for pedestrians. This contributes to the aesthetic and general quality of the urban environment. With hawkers pushed out, there has been a noticeable absence of informal markets that once flourished in the city streets. This means less variety in cheap everyday goods being sold directly to consumers, particularly food items and small household goods. Businesses operating in formal retail spaces such as shops and malls now face less competition from street vendors. However, the absence of hawkers also means fewer options for affordable goods for many Nairobian or Nairobi residents, particularly those from lower income backgrounds. Some hawkers have moved to informal trading areas on the outskirts of the city or to specific markets designated for them by the government. However, many have also taken their businesses to the internet, transitioning into e-commerce platforms. Authorities now regularly patrol the streets to ensure that hawkers do not return, and the enforcement officers fine or remove any vendors who attempt to sell in the restricted areas. This has contributed to the creation of more regulated, controlled public spaces. Despite these improvements, the displacement of workers has sparked debates on the best way to balance urban development with the livelihoods of informal traders who often rely on street vending as their primary source of income.